this is something that Uber announced how long ago at this point? And how many times do you see verified riders at this point?
I don't have it in LA. I don't see it.
So the same thing here. They're doing it in select cities. It's not rolled out nationwide. Hopefully, though, this is something that will be rolled out nationwide very soon. And hopefully this is something that, Lyft will just succeed better in when it comes to the promotion of it or trying to get riders verified. So yes, verification is coming for passengers as well too. So I think this is a good thing for drivers too. Because like I say, as long as the rider is verified, there's a little bit more safety when it comes there. So it's a good thing there.
This may mean that we may stop doing our end of fakes soon.
Go gig it. Thank you. Well, if they're verified, I mean, at that point,
well, I don't know. It didn't stop Uber, so we're still doing the fakes. So Lyft, good job. I mean, again, following Uber, but again, maybe their verification systems are going to be a little bit better than Uber's. Just being second doesn't mean. This is something I was really passionate about a year ago, and talked about it. Uber, did it first, and Lyft is doing it now. I mean, I know you all are watching, so have a good one. And I think this is also a very positive development. Look, haters are going to hate. They're going to go, oh, they're not verifying. They're not uploading an ID. They're not doing this. They're not doing that. I'm like, look, it's a little bit of a peace of mind, if nothing else. Okay. So they're piloting it in, I think, 8 or 9 cities. And look, I mean, safety and security are important for everyone, right? And if it's going to give you a little bit of a peace of mind, fine. I mean, if you don't like it, don't like it. I don't care. I like it.
Sergio, my question to you: if you saw Uber come up on your screen request and it said killer and it wasn't verified, would you accept or deny it?
No. Oh, you mean comes up killer and with a verified sign?
No. With no verified, would you accept it or no?
Hell no.
Okay, now if killer came up again but had a verification badge on, would you take that ride?
I would take that one. If it's during the day, I would take that one just to prove to Uber that the verification system is garbage. That's what I would do. I would take that one. If it's during the day. If it's 3 in the morning in an alley, not going to happen.
Yeah. Well, I think it's a good step in the right direction.
Well, we're going to talk about that in a second.
Needs to be taken. But yes, verified guest riders. I think they need to have something.
Well, Lyft did that. Lyft has something. So go to the next screenshot, and then just hold on one second. Our process includes cross-checking a rider's personal information, like their legal name. Well, today we'll have a fake Lyft, so you guys will see at the end of the show. Like their legal name and phone number using trusted third-party databases. This is basically the same as the other Darth Vader. If their information can't be validated, riders may obviously, right, may be asked to upload an ID. Any information provided is protected in accordance with our privacy law. So we'll go to the next one. And this is what it's going to look like for the rider, right? They're going to get a badge, like a little Twitter badge or whatever the heck it is, a little check mark. When a rider verifies their identity, they'll get a verification badge on their profile. What the drivers will see the same thing. When the trip comes in, they'll see the badge. They'll see the rider's name and verification badge in addition to their rating and photo, if there is a photo, obviously, because most people do not upload photo, or they put their dog's picture or whatever. And then on the next one, there is a little bit more detail.
That's it.
That was it. Okay, on the guest ones, Lyft is requiring that the person that's ordering the trip, for whoever, they have to be a rider as well on the platform. You can't just willy-nilly order a guest trip. So I do pick up actually a lot in the mornings in the dealerships around my house, and they strictly use Lyft actually. And I do see, you see the new, right? New meaning like new rider, and mostly they come as new, and it's ordered by a dealer and car dealer for service probably. And so Lyft has one little extra step above and beyond Uber, because I don't think Uber does show if it's a guest trip, although I have seen in LA Uber showing that this is a guest ride, and then it will give you the guest riders. It will tell you the rating of the ordering person and the guests rating as well. Hopefully it's like that in your cities.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.